it's Mary here, and today we are going to unbox Enhypen's Pieces of Memories Step 2. This is my very first YouTube video, so I'm quite nervous but also really excited. I hope you will like this video, and let's start unbox these cute mini pieces of memories. These are part of my group order, so every member is, I want to pull 47. So we'll see. This is the first one, so let's open that. I think here we have photo cards, and this is the photo book. I'll make a quick flip through this photo book. I love this Nikki's outfit. Looks so good here. Wow, Jungwon. And this is how this Pieces of Memories photo book looks like. So let's go check the photo card now, maybe. Okay, I'm nervous. Let's see who we got. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think we have this frame. But where is the photo card? Wait, I have to find it first. Okay, not here, maybe here. Okay, here we have. Oh, we pulled Jake. Oh my god, this photo card is so pretty. Okay, so we pulled Jake for the first Pieces of Memories. And now we're going to open the other one. Okay, we can try use this frame, I think. Oh, it looks so adorable. Oh, this looks so cute. Oh my god, I love that. I love this frame. This looks so adorable. Okay, let's see our second pull. Oh, it's so new. Oh my god, this photo card is so pretty. Oh, I love these photo cards. I think one of my favorites. Okay, now the next one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's Jungwon! Oh my god! I really wanted this photo card. I'm collecting Jungwon, so I'm super happy. Oh my god, he looks so adorable. I'm happy. I'm always pulling Jungwon. I'm lucky with pulling him. So, it looks so pretty, this photo card. Okay, let's see who we got now. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so new again. Okay. We are happy. This photo card is super adorable, and I'm sure that someone will be happy with this photo card. Okay. Oh my god, okay. let's pray for Nikki, Sungwon, Hisung, or Jay. Please be them. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, okay. Whew. It's Nikki. Oh my god, okay. Great. Oh, he looks so good here. Okay, so this is the last one. Okay. Here we have the frame again. Okay. I don't want any duplicates again. Okay. It's a loop, but as I said before, it's pretty photocards, so I'm happy to have them again. Okay, so that's all, finally. Okay, so these are my polls, and I'm super happy to see Jungwon here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Of course, you can leave a subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and leave a comment under this video. I'm super grateful that you watched this video, and yeah, I hope you see you soon. Yeah, so see you next time. Bye.